Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into the world of beauty and wellness with expert insights you can trust. Now let me ask you, how often do you struggle to keep your teeth and gums as clean as you'd like? Brushing alone just doesn't always cut it, right? Well, today I've got something that could change your oral care routine forever. It's the 300 milliliter portable cordless water dental flosser teeth cleaner. And whether you're dealing with braces, implants, or just looking for an effective way to floss, this might be exactly what you need. Before we get into all the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more honest beauty and wellness reviews like this one. Your support helps us keep delivering these valuable insights. So, what exactly does this dental flosser bring to the table? Let's break it down. The 300 milliliter portable cordless water dental flosser is a USB-rechargeable, waterproof oral irrigator designed to give you a deep, thorough clean. It's equipped with 4 different modes: normal, soft, pulse, and a customizable DIY mode, allowing you to adjust the water pressure based on your comfort level, whether you're a first-time user or someone with sensitive gums. One of its standout features is the IPX7 waterproof rating, which means it's safe to use in the shower. No worries about water damage. Plus, the backflow prevention design ensures no water seeps into the motor, which not only keeps it stable, but also extends its lifespan. In terms of power, you're looking at a 2500 milliamp-hour battery that can last up to 30 days on a full charge. That's pretty impressive. And the Type-C charging is super convenient. You can charge it through your phone, power bank, or PC. When it comes to the water tank, the 300 milliliter capacity is large enough for a complete flossing session without needing to refill midway, and the detachable design makes cleaning it super easy. It also comes with 4 replaceable jet tips, so whether you've got regular teeth, braces, or implants, there's a tip for you. Plus, you get a handy carrying case for travel, which makes it super convenient for those who are always on the go. Now let's get to my real-world testing and experience with the product. Using the flosser was a breeze. The design is lightweight and fits comfortably in the hand, making it easy to maneuver in your mouth. I started with the normal mode to see how well it performed on its default setting, and it was pretty powerful. The pulse technique delivers 1800 pulses per minute, which creates a really effective stream that gets into the hard-to-reach areas between your teeth. I was impressed by how clean my teeth felt, especially around my gum line. The soft mode is great for sensitive gums, and I found it gentle enough for daily use. The DIY mode was a game changer. It allowed me to fine-tune the pressure to my liking, making it super customizable. This would definitely be useful if you have specific needs, whether it's gentle cleaning or a more intense cleanse for stubborn plaque. As for the cons, the only downside I noticed was that the water tank isn't huge. So if you're someone with a larger mouth or need to floss your entire family's teeth at once, you might have to refill it a couple of times. But that's honestly a minor issue, especially given how easy it is to refill and clean. Speaking of value, let's talk about the price. Given its high-quality design, long battery life, and customizable features, this flosser is a solid investment. For what it offers, the price feels justified, especially when compared to other similar products on the market. If you're someone who values convenience and high performance, this might just be worth every penny. And here's the thing. If you're on a tighter budget, there are other options out there that provide similar functionality. However, in my experience, this particular model offers a great balance between features and price, especially with the inclusion of the replaceable jet tips and waterproof design. The build quality is excellent, sturdy but not heavy, and the Type-C fast charging makes it super convenient for daily use. I've used it for a few weeks now, and the performance hasn't wavered at all. The battery life has been as advertised, and I haven't noticed any decrease in water pressure or functionality. Now, if you're wondering about customer support, I haven't had to reach out personally, but the brand has a reputation for being responsive, and I've read good things about how they handle inquiries. It's always nice to know there's good customer service backing a product. Overall, I can confidently say that this portable cordless water dental flosser is a solid option for anyone looking to step up their oral care game. It's not only effective, but also incredibly easy to use. Whether you've got braces, implants, or just want to maintain a healthy smile, this flosser offers a great, customizable clean. Thanks for watching, and if you're ready to grab one for yourself, you'll find the link in the comments below. And if you've tried this flosser, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.